Hello children, open your ENVT textbook, lesson number 6, Ria's Journey. Lesson 6, Ria's Journey. We use various modes of communication to travel. These includes bullock carts, camel carts, bicycles, scooters, motorbikes, auto rickshaws, cars, buses, trucks, trains, boats, steamers, aeroplanes, etc. Due to these various modes of communication, we can even travel long distances easily, comfortably, and with good facilities. Among the various modes of communication, the train is a mode by which more than 1,000 travelers can go from one place to another at the same time. Since the cost of train travel is comparatively less and the journey is also comfortable, many people make use of trains. So let us read about Ria's journey by train. Ria and her friend Jia were very excited. They were going for a trip on a train to Vapi. Ria was going to her uncle's house and Jia was going to Daman with her family for a holiday. As both the families decided to go together, Jia's father had booked the train tickets for both the families before 15 days. Just 2 days before their journey, Jia fell ill. Doctor told her to take rest. Jia's family had to cancel their tickets. Both friends were very sad. As they had made many plans for the trip, due to Jia's cancellation, Ria felt very sad. Jia said, "I had an idea." She told Ria, "Don't be upset. You write everything about your trip in a diary and take photos and videos in your mobile. When you will come back, I will read your diary and will see photos and videos too." Ria went to her home. She found one notebook and a pen and put in her bag. What would happen if Jia had travelled despite her illness? If Jia travelled despite her illness, her condition would have become worse due to exhaustion of travelling, and Jia as well as everyone with her would have been troubled. She would have had to get down on some big station and be admitted to a hospital. She may have had to leave the journey halfway and return home. Let us read Ria's diary. Today is a full moon day. After taking our dinner, we took an auto rickshaw Gandhidham to reach Gandhidham railway station. After some time, the train arrived at the station. We saw some passengers were sitting in the train. Train had departed at 7:50 p.m. from Bhuj, main station of Kutch. The name of our train was the Kutch Express. When we went near the coach, there was so much commotion from a single door. People were getting off and others were pushing and trying to put their luggage inside. Father felt someone pushing. So he said, "Train will stop here for 15 to 20 minutes, so don't be in a hurry." We somehow managed to get in, found our seats and kept our luggage at a proper place. By the time the train started, most people had found their seats. Mother and I got window seats. Father and Hemakshi got the middle seat. There was another family with us. They seemed to board the train from the previous station. They had 2 children of our age with them. They got 2 upper seats and 2 lower seats. After some time, the ticket collector came and checked our ticket to see if we were in a proper seats. Why did Ria's father had said to get in the train quietly? Why did Ria's father has said to get in the train quietly? When a train arrives on the platform, people who are getting off or getting on were pushing each other. The train would halt at this station for 15 to 20 minutes. So, Ria's father advised them to board the train quietly. How will you recognize the ticket checker at the time of journey? There is a ticket checker in every train to check the passengers' tickets. He wears a black coat, white trousers, and a special kind of cap on his head. He asks each passenger for the ticket and checks it. He finds those whom he catches traveling without ticket. In this way, we can recognize the ticket checker from his uniform and the special badge given to him by the railway authorities. Which details ticket checker checked in the ticket? A ticket checker checks aspects like the date of the start of the journey, the train number, the names of the starting and the ending destination of the passenger, etc. Apart from these, if the tickets have been booked by passengers, then he checks the number of people traveling, their age, their seat numbers, etc. With the booking list, he has to confirm them. If senior citizens are traveling by train and have brought a concessional ticket, then he asks them for a document that is a proof of their age. After 1 hour, the train stopped at one station. I saw it from the window. Samkhyadi Junction was written on the station. I asked my father, why is the junction was written after the station's name? Father explained to me that the station at which 2 or more railway tracks are separating is called a junction. From this station, 2 railway tracks are separating. On the track on which a train is running is the way to Ahmedabad and the other goes to Palanpur. The station at which 2 or more railway tracks are separating is called junction. A train left that station. I was observing the view outside the window. It was looking like white bedsheet spread across an open plain up to far away in a full moonlight. Father said that it is a small desert of Kutch and it is looking like white bedsheet because of white layer of salt on it. In this area, Agarias are harvesting salt by making saltan. There, We can also see a very big heaps of salt. The train was moving fast. Something like a bridge was seen in a faint light of moon. There was light of vehicles seen on it. While we were crossing the bridge, I asked my father, "Which is this bridge?" "This is Surajbari Bridge," he replied. "It is known as the entrance of Kutch." Which facilities are provided in a train? Many facilities have been provided by the railway authorities for passengers traveling in trains. There are common coaches as well as AC coaches in trains. In common bogies, there are berths for sitting, toilets, wash machines, fans, and shuttered windows. Apart from all these, AC coaches have sleeping berths, sheets, and blankets for the night, snacks and meals, air conditions, and stands for magazines. The windows of AC coaches are made of glass and are airtight. In such a coach, the number of people traveling is always same as the number of seats available. In second and first class AC coaches, the seats are more comfortable. There are more facilities and it is less crowded. Moreover, there are attendants to see that all the facilities are provided properly in such coaches. In a common coach, one can travel standing if there is no seat available. Thus, there are various facilities in train. What did Riya see in Ahmedabad from the train? From the moving train, Riya saw the beautifully lit up Ahmedabad city, multi-story buildings, lots of moving vehicles, flyover bridges, roads with gates, etc. Before reaching Ahmedabad, when the train was still moving, the atmosphere became noisy with the voices of vendors selling various things and porters, coolies who carry luggages. Which type of voice Riya heard at Ahmedabad railway station? When the train arrived on the platform at Ahmedabad, Riya heard the sounds of various vendors shouting out their wares like garam chai, garam garam bhajia, puri saag, cold water bottle, vada pav. She also heard voices selling bananas, chikus, apples, etc. She also heard a voice announcing important information on a microphone. What did Riya see at Ahmedabad railway station? Riya saw various stalls selling different things, vendors selling their wares, passengers, men wearing red shirts, who are known as coolies, porters, railway staff people, and many other trains coming and going when she got down on the platform at Ahmedabad. What are the difficulties faced while traveling by train? While traveling by train, one experiences being pushed by the crowd while boarding and while getting down from the train. If one does not get a seat, one has to travel standing up. If one has to travel at night, it is difficult to sleep because other passengers are continuously moving about. A train runs on iron tracks. Its path is more or less straight. When railway tracks pass over a road, there is a gate on the road when a train is going to pass from there. The gates are closed, and once the train has passed by, then the gates are reopened for regular traffic. To travel by train, one needs to go to a railway station. When we go to drop our relatives, friends at the station, we need to buy platform tickets to enter the station. Indian Railways is a symbol of India's huge administrative web as well as her progress. Thank you.